It's not landlord, but a pirate evermore.
Hi, that oyster chili be disagreeing with me something fierce. Fresh trousers? Aye, Captain, skewering. With the location of his missing mate in hand, our hero took off into space. Little did he know, the greatest challenge he would ever face lay just ahead. The end. Want to hear it again?
Bolts.
All right. No need to get cross. Oh, let me guess. Roll. Why don't you stand right there, mate? I'll check for booby traps. Not at all, mate. After all, you're the boob, and here's the trap. Sorry, old chum. What could I say? I'm a pirate. But here's a little something to show that there's no hard feelings. All right, enough. I think you two could do as a good pillaging. Set course for Holafar, our island. Captain? Captain? No! Why? I suppose now that you're our new captain, you'll be needing one of them gimmicky pirate names. The dread pirate Ratchet, perhaps? Aye, 'tis the code, sir. Don't worry, Captain. That vessel will set course for the nearest available planet. The Cragmite homeworld, Captain. Grog?